evening here. So today we'll do some curry goat belly and foot. Yeah man guys, take a last look. Welcome again guys, so we're back in the rainy Friday evening here. So today we'll do some curry goat belly and foot. Yeah, so I want to get the foot clean up and all that because I be a rain and I'm not the rain catching back out here. So stay tuned for that. I'm showing the whole clean process. Yeah man, so give it a like, a comment, a share and a subscribe. So yeah man, so look out for that one yeah. Yeah man, curry goat foot and belly. So we have to goat foot here guys, so see guys, I'm going to do a thing, you know. We don't want to burn too much, you know. We don't want enough fire for us to burn off the air. When not burn it, you guys, you can use hot water, but I don't know, hot water will give a nice smoky flavor there we don't want. Yeah man. Gwaan. Yeah man guys, hot water will give you that nice smoky flavor when you want. So in the hot water that give it, you know, a nice finish, but smoke better. Smoke is better, nice. Yeah man. The water that give it a white pretty color there, like a goat skin. I know the smoke will give it a dark color there. But you don't know the dark color there, high flavor. Oh them kind of hold no gas cause a be a rain, so I take down the mesh and put it directly down so you get more fire cause fire now the blaze. Alright, so we're going guys. I'm saying that one to sleep on the fire too much. Too long. But yeah. So we're going there. Get on 5 minutes and then we take it off and get it cleaned up. Like wash off and all that. Yeah man. So next time when you see back this guys, one time I get it chop up. So I don't know what's cut off, you know, guys. Here stuff come off. Yeah man, guys, we do everything today, you know. Also I do some fried chicken. Some one get the goat belly clean now. Yeah man. Yeah, we tribe and the book. The ones are got below where the to the guys. Yeah man, guys, this way I do with the foot. Yeah. I'm gonna show on the foot in a moment. So I'm gonna simple guys, all purpose season. Put my on it. And the curry. So I'll get this fresh open up and let them come out so I'll just do this. Black. See put the guide. Them on them black pieces there are the foot. Them on them foot. I know them part of the inside piece them. The belly. Same on that we are curry down. Typically, see? And on there with nice rice and peas. You can show you guys, my two love the chili rice, you know. Yeah man. And this are the last batch of chicken guys. I'm showing the chicken on the fry already. Yeah man. So I have some scallion and thyme and stuff been already guys. So I'll add that to it, stir it up, and make a pressure with that. And then add in the rest when time it doesn't pressure. So I'm making pressure with half of the seasons them we use. My name I'm going to put it on the chicken when I season it up, so I'm going to try it now and then I'll get the pressure pot lock up and thing. So don't worry man, that's everything. Yeah man guys, take a last look. So next time you see me, I want to show you in the bean. Yeah man, cause bean a good night, you know, and we scale and time and him something there. Yeah. Take a last look. Yeah man guys, I fried chicken this, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, so that's how we're gonna go with the bean. So we have a clothes right there, so the pimento with rosemary, with scallion and sweet pepper and Irish. No carrot guys. Don't put a carrot in a curry goat. Carrot kill the goat flavor. You see me? You can get rid of it in the curry chicken, but don't put it in a curry goat. Yeah man. Don't put carrot in a curry goat. Yeah man guys, the banana that bad with the curry, you know. Or some salt mackerel. Yeah man. I already cut up that one already. But this is a bag with some salt mackerel, you know. So yeah man guys, so remember, give video a like, a share, a comment. Yeah man. Share it to all your friends, your family and all that. Yeah, I said before in the last video, this channel is about Jamaica food, culture and lifestyle. Clean content, no curse word. Yeah man, so consider give it a share and a like. Yeah man, so soon one time the food done because the rice done, the chicken done fry, and the goat a pressure now. So soon one time I put in the scale and time of them thing there. The goat. Yeah man guys, so I go on there. Yeah man. You don't cook it in the guys, it go down in the gravy. So soon when time you finish.